just created this video, and as my ID is not working properly, so I actually cannot demonstrate. That is why it takes so much time to understand, I mean, planning what I should share with you. And okay, so I'm sorry for that. Actually, it you already, I mean, I uh, already waste so much time because of the situation, and I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so let me explain how you can uh, get the application and submit to uh, Apple Store. Okay, so first of all, you need a developer program account, and you already have one. I can understand. I'm just saying to make this thing clear. Then okay, you did these things also, but it's not working. I'm confused this part, why not working. So uh, you can skip this part. Okay, you don't need to do this. Okay, so let's step forward. uh, as you already do this, I will share you a download zip file. Just uh, download the file and extract in your desktop. Okay, then in your file you can see a file called .env. You better open this zip in a code editor, maybe VS Code. Okay, let me add that thing. Okay, and let me, so VS Code is something like this one. So you can easily, I mean, you can easily check how things works. Okay, so I think you are familiar these things, but yet I am explaining if you are not familiar. But if you don't I mean, let me show. If you don't have VS Code installed or any other file, you can find this one, uh, or you can, let me create another one. Maybe this. Okay. Let's rename this one .exe. Okay. So if you don't find the this, I mean, if you cannot open in a code editor, you might not see this one. It will be hidden. So in that case, let me rename. Okay, you can see this file env.example, and you need to update this key. Okay, if you don't have the key, you may skip this one, but it will definitely impact your FR service. Like for recent, it will works for sending emails. So any function related with sending emails will uh, crash. So you have to get a recent API, then SendGrid API, supervised service role key. Again, for Google authentication, you need to get the Google client ID and client secret. Also for Apple client ID and Apple client secret. Okay, so that's it. Once you complete this one, actually I mean, you need to complete this .env file, and if you cannot find this one, just complete this one, and uh, once you complete, just rename this .env and like this, rename .env. Okay, okay. So you rename and replace with this file. Okay, I'm not going to there, it's very basic things. Then okay, I will delete this one. So okay, I will share the folder like this way. So you only need to do this .env. Okay, like that. Okay, so you come update env file, then in phase 2 install record software. Okay, so uh, you must have the Node.js updated in your system. Better you have a latest LTS version, you can download here. And again, installing git is not important, but sometimes it creates issue. I'm not sure, but I have heard of this one. Sometimes React Native depending on GitHub some way. Probably I misunderstand, but it is not a big deal. You can download and install. Maybe sometimes uh, it will help. Okay, so it will not take much time, so better do that. Then again, this run this command, just copy and open terminal. Okay, like this one, and paste and click enter. Okay, I'm closing this one. So it will I just close because I already have installed this one, but it will take some times. Once it finish, you can see it will stop in similar line. Okay, again I am explaining very details as I can, but probably you already know that. Then run this command in terminal. Okay, yeah, once you let's say update, it asks for update. I prefer not for now. Okay, actually it needs to update. Now available. Okay, okay, then it will ask for email or username. Give the username, and once you then it will ask the password. Enter the password and sorry, and click enter. Okay, I'm not sure. For some reason I'm not receiving SMS in this number. So basically just log in, and then you need to again open your folder. Okay, so suppose let's check what we have. Okay, so suppose your folder is in desktop. can always check what you have in the desktop. So if you click write ls and enter, it will list down. Then cd, our folder name will fmora, click enter. But for now there is no folder called fmora, so in that case, like, I just select a folder. Suppose this is your folder. Now you are in the folder. Then run this one, npm install. Okay, so I'm again we okay, it will take some times. After that you need to run this one. It will ask some question. You will ask for your full developer id, your password, maybe 2FA token or whatever. Just complete that authentication. Then EAS will automatically create your iOS app. Okay, and the main thing is the certificates. I cannot create a signing certificates without a from this is where actually we cannot proceed. Okay, let's proceed next. Once you have the build completed, you need to separately go to your App Store Connect and click my app and then click new app to register new app, and then you will update the necessary information. Okay, so bundle id will you can find in this stage, or you can also find in the EAS website when you log in. And again, you may need to provide some others, like preparing icons and screenshot, like for different devices. So and rest of the things you know better than me. Okay, then okay, it's for configuration actually. Once you have configured the app, let me check. Okay, once you configure the app, making materials, okay. Actually this step actually optional, you can prefer this later, but you need to you better add this first, prepare the marketing materials later, and then run this command from your terminal. Okay, then you wait for a step and submit f by commanding this line. You can also update manually, but I prefer this one, it's easy. Then review setting. Okay, so these are actually some documentation things you can understand. So that's it. I actually cannot demonstrate things because my the problem is that my what I can say, iOS account is not active, and this is a technical issue. I am living in a non-supported zone, a full non-supported zone, so I basically cannot easily create a new account also. If that is possible, I probably already open a new account. Okay, so I have to actually contact with some expert to do that, because I generally I don't publish app myself. I just develop the application for my clients handle the things. Okay, so in this case, this is where I am stuck, and this project actually waiting is long period without really doing nothing, because and the original requirement is not that much critical. I already fulfill everything and check multiple times. It's working fine with Android. Okay, that's it. I'm really sorry again for the delay. Thank you very much for your patience. Bye.